Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss how to live beyond 100 years and lead a good life. Every parent wants their children to live longer with happiness and peace. When you pay regards to seniors, they also bless you to live longer and stay happy and peaceful. Although blessings have some good tacit effect, good gestures inspire you, but you need to do something to improve your longevity where your lifestyle plays a major role. The 30 habits, as stated below, if inculcated honestly and heartily, will contribute considerably to longevity. Accompanied by happy and fulfilled life, please check and comment how many steps you follow, as each one appears to be very sensible, important, and essential to you. Getting ready in the early morning is very important. To get up early morning and see sunrise, drink a glass of water. Walking, jogging with free hand exercise at early morning, few sit-ups, few pull-ups, few push-ups, yoga postures will help a lot to keep your body flexible, especially when one crosses 50 years. So flexibility of body is very much needed at that time. Positive affirmations and praying to God 2 times daily at morning and evening will also make your mind cool and calm. Being grateful to others for their kind help. Be kind and helpful to others. Not only be grateful to others for their kind help, you also help others. It brings more than 10 times reward in the short run. Strengthen your character strength and virtues. 6 virtues and 24 character strengths, which is normally explained by the scientist. These are very much helpful, and it can be a reminder to you. Practice meditation and self-talk. Know your strength and weakness. Concentrate more on self-care. Read good books and blogs. Self-awareness will always help you in the long run. Maintain good eating habits. Eat more veggies and fruits of different colors. Eat in fixed time. Feel for your biological needs. Never skip breakfast, lunch, snacks amidst your busy schedule. Drink plenty of water, not only when you feel thirsty. Try to maintain 8-1-8 rule. Breakfast before 8 am, lunch before 1 pm, and dinner before 8 pm. Go to bed early and have at least 7 to 8 hours good sleep, deep sleep at night to allow your body to regenerate energy. Hang out with friends, contact friends, preferably over video call, and talk to them, laugh a lot together. See comedy films, learn funny jokes, and share with your friends. Laugh together. Get engaged in some community works. Social relationships play a vital role in life expectancy. Learn how to reduce stress. Stressors are mostly internal. Try to control your internal factors more. Personal unnecessary feelings and thoughts create problems which need to be avoided. You must note it. You must try to remove your unnecessary thoughts and feelings to keep you light. Awareness on disease prevention is very important. Think how you can avoid diseases, illnesses. So better be proactive. Go for a nature walk, run under the sun, have more vitamin D. Care for personal hygiene, for example, brush teeth at least two times, morning and after dinner. Wash your hands before taking food. Put water on your face occasionally and remove stress on your eyes. Dress well, love fashion and style. Enjoy wearing variety of dresses on various occasions like festivals, marriage parties, social get-together, dinner parties. So try to show yourself a befitting one, standalone, extraordinary personality. Keep in mind, image management is also important and it pays back to you. Try to avoid risks of accidents at home, slip, trip and falls, cutting by sharp objects, touching hot objects. These are common things. Try to avoid these things. On the road as well as at workplace also you need to be very careful. Don't blame the slippery floor for your mishap. Take responsibility of your safety. Avoid violent situations, for example, great risks from bacterial and viral infections. Must not disregard taking adequate steps to protect you from virus like COVID-19 as it's going on now by maintaining social distancing, wearing face masks, hand gloves, washing hands and face, sanitizing clothes and spaces very often. Try to remain engaged in some walks. Idle brain is the devil's workshop. Utilize this lockdown time as an unintended sabbatical, a bliss in disguise. Instead of feeling it a very difficult time, feel it is really a bliss. You are getting enough time to do your personal works which are left behind for many days, even in years. So fulfill your long-awaited desires like writing and publishing ebooks, audiobooks, blogs, YouTube blogs, preparing tutorials for an online course and share it through Udemy, Teachable, Thinkific. While working at home, you may have some passive income which may be utilized for charity also. And you will be getting a lot of satisfaction out of this one. Know what is eroding your peace and happiness. Be aware. Believe your intuition to learn what is sabotaging your mental health. Maybe due to staying away from romantic relationship. So take care. Care for disease prevention. Control your bad habits like smoking, abuse of tobacco, alcohol and drugs. You will certainly not like to be crippled with multiple fatal illnesses like cancer, ulcer, which destroys your internal parts of the body. Nurture your hobbies for healthy living, like gardening, photography, cooking, internet surfing. You will pass your time very happily. And it will increase your longevity. Visualization of long life and happy commendable life beyond 100 years. Once you visualize that yes, you have crossed 100 years and then you have done so many lot of things, naturally you will be going up and up to enjoy, to accommodate that variety of life enjoyment. Live every moment. Practice mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation is very important. And then it will help you to avoid many accidents also. Have positive attitude. Age is only number. You can enjoy life at any age. You become what you think about. Earl Nightingale has said in his book, The Strangest Secret. So think right, think positive. Know your body well. Take care of your different organs and organ systems. Practice Hatha Yoga, inner engineering, preaching by Sadhguru. I have attended one program of inner engineering arranged by Mr. Sadhguru. He is a mystic, really a great person. I have seen that Hatha Yoga really works very well. Practice it. Follow your intuition and make a to-do list to remind you for the desired actions. Negative thoughts. Negative thoughts original mostly due to personal weakness. Avoid unnecessary mental tension. It is not bad to ask for help if you require. So feel free to ask for help. Don't keep your tension inside you, and don't try to uh, reach a very potential point at certain times. It should be ventilated. Ventilate your tension. Whatever is your mind, you just share with your friends. Instead of accepting problems will prevail in golden age. Challenge the traditional thought. You may think that in golden age there are a lot of problems, but no. Think alternatively. Feel elder adults get more scope to be healthier. There is no age limit to enjoy happiness, romance, sex, social relationships. At any age, you can enjoy life. Follow religious right practices, traditional social norms, and grandmother's tips, which are carried over generations from ancestors and give a lot of lessons to us to keep you healthy and happy forever. In case you want more clarification or you want to add or alter any concept, you may reach me by email learningnewskill.2020@gmail.com. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel. I will be publishing such articles very often, at least once in a week. Thank you. Wish you a good life.